Welcome to our overview of product restrictions, categories, and conditions. Upholding Amazon's product policies is one of the steps sellers can take to earn their customers' trust. All sellers will want to review the product categories for specific listing requirements before listing their products in the Amazon store. In this video, we'll show you how to comply with Amazon's restricted products policy and which product categories require approval. We'll also show you where to find product condition guidelines for your catalog. Let's review Amazon's restricted products policy first. All products for sale in the Amazon store must comply with laws and regulations and Amazon policies to ensure a safe shopping experience for our customers. The sale of illegal, dangerous, or other restricted products, including products available by prescription only, is prohibited. It's important that all products comply with applicable laws. We encourage you to consult legal counsel if you have questions about the laws and regulations concerning your products. We want our customers to shop with confidence, so we've determined category restrictions that ensure products are safe, authentic, and meet local and regional regulations. While we restrict certain categories, we also prohibit others. Amazon requires sellers to obtain approval before listing some products, brands, and categories such as postage stamps, collectible coins, sports collectibles, fine art, and jewelry. For a full list of categories and products that require approval, go to the Seller Central homepage and search Categories and Products that require approval. Some examples of restricted products include products not approved by the FDA, weapons, toxic substances, offensive products, recalled products, electronics that don't conform with FCC regulations, and products only available by prescription. It's important to note that, for some products, there can be both permitted and prohibited listings. It's a good idea to review the Restricted Products Help pages for more information. Just know the examples provided in the pages aren't exhaustive and are shared as an informational guide. If you participate in Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, you should review the FBA Product Restrictions page, which lists products that aren't eligible for the program. For detailed information on restricted products, visit Seller Central and search Restricted Products FAQ. You can also search product restrictions for a full list of products that can't be sold in the Amazon store. Here are some best practices for adhering to product restrictions. Don't assume a product is permitted. Have up-to-date knowledge of product, industry, and applicable laws. Review the restricted products policy regularly. Know the origin of the products if you're not buying from the manufacturer, and know the ingredients of your products and whether they're permitted. While selling in the Amazon store, you'll want to provide customers with products that arrive in the expected condition. Assigning the correct condition to each product you list is important for providing a positive customer experience. To review Amazon's condition guidelines, go to the Seller Central homepage and search Condition Guidelines. To get tips for preventing product complaints, watch our video Prevent Product Condition Complaints in Seller University. For additional information and resources on Amazon's restricted products policy, go to the Seller Central homepage and search Category, Product, and Listing Restrictions. Finally, to learn how to apply to sell a product or category, watch our video Apply to Sell a Product, Category, or Brand in Seller University. This concludes our overview of product restrictions, categories, and conditions. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!